to our full-day tour. We booked from Kluk for Furano, Hokkaido Day Tour. This cost for 2,384 pesos, includes with 5 attractions. First attraction is Patchwork Road. Visiting Patchwork Road in summer is one of the best times to experience the vibrant colors of the Hokkaido countryside. In the summer months, especially from June till August. Having quick stopover and breakfast. I choose grilled chicken rice ball onigiri. Quick tip to our main destination, Furano, located in the heart of Hokkaido, is famous for its stunning lavender fields, scenic landscapes, and winter sports. If you're visiting in the summer, which seems likely given your interest in Patchwork Road and Baie, you'll find that Furano offers a wealth of natural beauty and outdoor activities. Here are some tips to make the most of your trip. Lavender season. The peak season for lavender is from late June to early August, with the best bloom occurring in mid-July. If you're aiming to see the lavender fields in full bloom, this is the time to go. Key spots 1. Ken and Mary Tree. This tree became famous from a 1970s Nissan commercial and remains one of the most iconic spots in Baie too. 7 Stars Tree, a beautiful oak tree that was featured on a cigarette package offering stunning views of the surrounding farmland. 3. Parent and child tree, 3 trees standing together, often symbolizing family. It's a popular photography spot. You can see root crops like potatoes, onion leeks, tomatoes, barleys, wheat fields, and more.
Potato?
No. Wheat.
The Blue Pandi Aoki in Hokkaido is one of the most famous and stunning natural attractions in the Baie region. Located not far from Patchwork Road and Shirahige Falls, it's known for its surreal blue color, which changes in intensity depending on the season, weather, and time of day. Unique color. The pond's striking blue hue is due to the presence of minerals, especially aluminum hydroxide, in the water. The exact shade of blue varies from bright turquoise to deep cobalt, depending on the light and angle of view. Man-made origin. The pond was originally created as part of a dam project to control water from the nearby Baie River, which was prone to flooding due to volcanic activity from Mount Tokachi. Despite its artificial origin, it has become a natural wonder thanks to the unique combination of minerals. Shirahige Waterfall is a beautiful waterfall located in the town of Baie, Hokkaido, Japan. The name Shirahige translates to white beer, which reflects the appearance of the waterfall, as the water cascades down like strands of a white beer. The waterfall emerges from cracks in the cliffs, creating a series of streams that flow into the vivid blue waters of the Bayou River, giving the area an almost magical look. In winter, Shirahige Waterfall is especially beautiful as the icy surroundings enhance the mystical feel of the area. It's a great spot for photography and for enjoying the natural beauty of Japan's northern landscapes. There is always flavored soft serves ice cream based on location with its unique color and taste. We are now heading to the main attraction, Tomita Farm.